Don't touch me. Oh. You ain't so brain dead. Bro, I want to try to teach you the
form is brain dead as hell. I'm not a huge fan of the form.
That's why I what he does.
And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel it. Worth apart it. If you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped.
I received $17,000. Really? I have $60,000. It's a lot of Buddhas though, bro. Oh wait, I got message.
I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
I got. Ow! Hold up!
I would probably have been a bitch that been 5XJ, fuck this bitch. This is fucking 5XJ. This is great. I'm already
Never. I can feel my heart rate, adrenaline pressure.
5XJ.
It's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter. Try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever. The beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key control by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it.
Just fucking TP to the fucking castle place until you keep it back.
So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protected. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
I forget about that sword. I haven't fought in it in a long time. Yeah, I'm about to
Shit, wait.
Oh. I got Dowdy. Thank you.
It's like fucking reset, I don't want